We'll guide you through how to use Calendly Notetaker to streamline your meeting notes effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu and click on the Integrations tab. Here, you'll see a list of available integrations. Scroll down until you find Calendly Notetaker and click on it. Follow the prompts to install the integration. It's straightforward and will guide you through what permissions are needed. Once installed, go to your Scheduled Events tab where you can see your upcoming meetings. Select the event for which you want to use the Notetaker. You'll notice a new option to add Notetaker next to your event details. Click on it and this will automatically set up a note-taking session linked to that event during your meeting. The Notetaker will capture key points and action items, creating a comprehensive summary. After the meeting, go back to your Calendly dashboard and click on the Notes section under your event details. You can review, edit, and share these notes with your team or participants directly from Calendly. A useful tip is to customize the settings of the Notetaker to match your meeting style by adjusting features like automatic highlights or specific keywords to focus on this. Helps in creating more personalized and relevant notes by integrating Calendly Notetaker. You not only save time, but also ensure nothing important slips through the cracks during your meetings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.